Welcome. Before we start our practice, I would like to invite you to find a comfortable place to sit where you won't be disturbed. You don't need to close your eyes just yet. I'll let you know when to do that. For now, let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath. As you exhale, focus on releasing any tension that you're feeling in the body. Relax the muscles of your face. Relax your jaw. Let the tension in your forehead melt away. Now, allow your breathing to return to normal and just relax as we explore how to take the first step in starting a meditation practice. The key word to remember when approaching any meditation is comfortable. Be comfortable. Meditation should be a practice that feels good, safe, and enjoyable. When we practice meditation, we sit in a comfortable position, and the benefits of our practice come into our lives naturally and spontaneously. Meditation isn't about force or struggle. It's about least effort. Imagine filling a glass jar with river water and shaking it. The water would be swirly, murky, and filled with debris. But if you put that jar on a table and left it alone for a little while, all the activity, the sand, silt, and particles, would settle to the bottom, allowing the water to clear. Your mind works in the same way. Every day we are overloaded with 80,000 thoughts. These thoughts can be overwhelming. If we allow the thoughts to just be and bring our awareness to the present moment, eventually the jumble of our lives will settle and we are able to see more clearly. Let's practice settling our minds now as we move into our meditation practice. If you haven't done so already, close the door, silence your phone, and perhaps dim the lights. Let go of all activities and obligations for a few moments. Withdraw from the external world. And let's dive into the peace and comfort of your own awareness. Remember, this is time for you. You can sit anywhere you like for meditation. As long as you're comfortable, there's no special position required. This can be in a chair, on the floor, or on a bed or couch. Feel free to use pillows or blankets to support yourself. And if you get uncomfortable during the practice, that's okay. Wiggle, stretch, and readjust as necessary. That's all a part of the process. Now, softly close your eyes. Take a moment to check into your body. Just like checking into a new hotel room, take note of how you feel. The temperature, your posture, any tightness or discomfort in your body. All these details are a part of the backdrop of your practice. Accept them, allowing them to be without resistance. Now, let's take a full, deep breath. Hold that for just a moment and exhale. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale full and deep. Hold. Release. Once more. Deep breath in. Hold. And let it go. Now, just allow your breathing to be natural and effortless. Don't try to control or manipulate it in any way. Simply let your breath flow in and out easily and comfortably. As you continue to settle in with your breath, introduce a silent, subtle thought into your awareness. I am. Gently repeat this thought again. I am. Continue repeating it to yourself. It's just a thought in your mind, like a whisper, in effortless repetition. There is no need to force or concentrate. Whenever your attention drifts away from I am, which it will, to a sound in the environment, a sensation in your body, or a thought in your mind, easily, effortlessly, and without judgment, bring your attention back to I am. We'll continue like this for just a couple minutes. I'll be back when it's time to end our meditation. Enjoy. Now please, release the repetition of I am. Continue to sit comfortably with your eyes closed for a few moments. Allow the stillness and silence to sink in. Let's conclude this meditation by taking another full, deep breath in. Slowly let that go. Pause for a moment. Smile to yourself and recognize having taken the first step on the road to self-awareness, peace, and healing. Have the intention to carry this feeling of peace with you back into your daily activity. And whenever it's comfortable for you, slowly allow your eyes to float open. Namaste.